Hi, welcome to the Happiest Place Is Home kitchen. I'm Suzanne, and I'm in the kitchen today making chicken Marbella in the slow cooker. There are two ways to make this dish. One is in the oven, which takes a lot of marinating. This one is a little quicker. The one in the oven is a more attractive dish when you have company, and this one is great for a weeknight meal for the family. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and let's get started. Okay, hello, you. I better open it and flip them or just check them. So looking good. And I have a feeling we're only going to go a little while longer, but I will keep you updated, of course. I'm making the easy microwavable rice, just 90 seconds in the microwave, so that we have a nice side with our chicken dish. We're back and it's been 4 hours. We have the rice dish portion ready to go. That's about a half cup of rice for the serving. And then for the nutrition in this, I'm going to put 3 chicken tenders on the plate. Okay, so let's take a look closer up. Like I said, not the most attractive, but the most delicious.